enjoyed their stay.
Which is the very good.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Room category 1 Room category 3 Room category 4 Room category 7 category 8 Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So we can see on the screen at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the hotel is excellent in guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience